Rock Legends, Never Die Keith Richards' musical journey. In this captivating video, we pay tribute to the legendary Keith Richards, exploring his remarkable history, iconic greatest hits, and immense contributions to the world of music. Discover why fans across the globe hold him in such high regard and how his influence continues to shape the industry. Join us in celebrating the life and legacy of this rock and roll icon. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel for more in-depth stories and insights into the lives. Imagine rock and roll without its iconic riff master Unthinkable, right? Keith Richards, with his raw talent and rebellious spirit, has shaped the sound of a generation. His guitar work is the heartbeat of the Rolling Stones' timeless music. Keith Richards, co-founder of the Rolling Stones, is a legendary figure in rock history. Known for his gritty riffs and onstage charisma, he has been a driving force in the band since its inception. His influence is immeasurable. Richards was born in Dartford, England, where his love for music began. Growing up in a modest household, he found solace in music. His early experiences in this small town shaped his musical journey and fueled his passion for rock and roll. As a young boy, Richards was captivated by the guitar. His first instrument became his constant companion, and he spent countless hours honing his skills. This early dedication laid the foundation for his future success as a guitarist. Richards' life changed forever when he met Mick Jagger at a train station. This fateful encounter marked the beginning of a legendary partnership. Their combined talents and shared vision would eventually lead to the formation of the Rolling Stones. The Rolling Stones formed in 1962, a pivotal moment in music history. Keith Richards and Mick Jagger's shared passion for blues and rock laid the foundation. Their dynamic chemistry attracted other talented musicians, leading to the birth of an iconic band. Early hits like Satisfaction catapulted the Rolling Stones to global fame. Richards' unforgettable riffs and Jagger's charismatic vocals created a new sound. The song's raw energy and rebellious spirit resonated with a generation, cementing their place in rock history. Richards' signature guitar riffs are instantly recognizable. His ability to craft memorable, catchy riffs became a defining element of the band's music. Tracks like Brown Sugar and Start Me Up showcase his talent for creating infectious, timeless guitar lines. Keith Richards and Mick Jagger formed one of rock's most legendary songwriting duos. Their collaborative efforts produced countless hits, blending Richards' musical prowess with Jagger's lyrical genius. Together, they penned songs that captured the essence of rock and roll. Gimme Shelter stands as a testament to their creative brilliance. Written during turbulent times, the song's haunting melody and poignant lyrics reflect societal unrest. Richards' evocative guitar work and Jagger's powerful vocals make it a timeless and impactful track. Paint It Black emerged as a haunting anthem, its dark tones and sitar melodies crafting an unforgettable soundscape. Keith Richards and Mick Jagger's songwriting genius brought forth a track that resonated deeply, capturing the tumultuous spirit of the 1960s. Jumpin' Jack Flash marked a pivotal moment for the Rolling Stones, showcasing a gritty, blues-influenced sound that became synonymous with their identity. Richards' electrifying riff and Jagger's raw vocals created a timeless rock classic that still energizes audiences today. Angie revealed a softer, more emotive side of the Rolling Stones. Richards' gentle acoustic guitar and Jagger's heartfelt lyrics combined to produce a ballad that touched listeners' hearts, demonstrating their versatility and depth beyond the hard rock persona. Keith Richards' guitar technique set him apart from his contemporaries. His mastery of rhythm and lead playing, combined with his innovative use of chords and riffs, created a distinct sound that influenced countless musicians and defined the band's musical style. The open G tuning became a hallmark of Richards' playing, allowing for rich, resonant chords and fluid transitions. This technique contributed to the unique sound of many Stones hits, cementing his status as a pioneering guitarist in rock history. Keith Richards' innovative guitar work has left an indelible mark on countless musicians. His unique riffs and pioneering techniques have inspired guitarists across genres, from rock to blues. Richards' influence can be heard in the playing styles of many modern-day legends. Beyond his work with the Rolling Stones, Richards has ventured into solo projects that showcase his versatility and depth as a musician. His solo albums, including Talk Is Cheap, reveal a different facet of his artistry, further cementing his musical legacy. Richards' personal style is unmistakable, blending rock and roll rebellion with a touch of bohemian flair. His ever-present cigarette, skull rings, and headbands have made him a fashion icon, embodying the spirit of rock and roll. On stage, Richards is magnetic, exuding charisma and energy that captivate audiences. His dynamic performances, characterized by swagger and raw emotion, have made him a standout performer and a key component of the Rolling Stones' legendary live shows. Richards' career spans more than 5 decades, a testament to his enduring talent and resilience. Despite numerous challenges, he remains a vital and influential figure in the music industry, continually evolving while staying true to his rock roots. Keith Richards' illustrious career has garnered numerous awards and honors, cementing his status as a rock legend. He was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame with the Rolling Stones, celebrating his profound influence on music history. His autobiography, Life, offers an unfiltered glimpse into his journey, revealing the highs and lows of rock stardom. The book captivated readers, showcasing his storytelling prowess and providing an intimate look at the man behind the riffs. Richards is also known for his humanitarian efforts, supporting causes close to his heart. His charitable work spans various initiatives, demonstrating his commitment to giving back and making a positive impact beyond the music scene. Memorable quotes from Keith Richards often reflect his wit, wisdom, and rebellious spirit. His words resonate with fans, offering insights into his philosophy on life, music, and the rock and roll lifestyle that defined his career. Iconic live performances have solidified Richards' status as a master showman. His electrifying stage presence and undeniable charisma captivate audiences worldwide, making every concert a memorable experience and reinforcing his legendary status in rock music. Keith Richards' collaborations with other artists highlight his versatility and broad influence. From working with Tom Waits to jamming with Eric Clapton, his ability to blend seamlessly with diverse musicians has enriched the music landscape and expanded his artistic footprint. Richards' impact on modern music is undeniable. His innovative guitar techniques and raw, emotive playing style have influenced countless contemporary artists. Bands and solo musicians across genres cite him as a crucial inspiration, ensuring his legacy endures through new generations of performers. Fans love Keith Richards, not just for his music, but for his authenticity and rebellious spirit. Testimonials often emphasize his dedication to rock and roll, his charismatic stage presence, and his genuine connection with audiences worldwide, making him a beloved icon. Keith Richards' legacy in the music world is monumental. As a co-founder of the Rolling Stones and a masterful guitarist, songwriter, and performer, his contributions have left an indelible mark. His influence will continue to shape rock music for years to come. Subscribe to the Music Educator YouTube channel to dive deeper into the lives of music legends like Keith Richards. Discover more about their histories, techniques, and lasting impact on the world of music, and join a community of passionate music lovers.